All over the world, I and my Deloitte colleagues help our clients to go through the transformation journey where they are today and how they do it, towards their reimagined future with higher business outcomes. The Internet of Things is both a driver and enabler of this transformation journey. It has multiple phases, whether they're looking at the digitalization of a retail store or coming up with better solutions and driving from a brushstroke medicine towards personalized medicine, or delivering an Industry 4.0 strategy for manufacturing. This year at IoT Solution World Congress, we would like our clients to experience the breadth of different types of services and solutions we developed with our clients. And we are also bringing a demonstrator. It's kind of a whimsical concept, so please meet the Internet of Rubber Ducks. It is truly an amazing augmented reality experience. It starts from the materials mixer to make these little ducks, and it goes through the full production process and adds with the quality controls. So some of the slightly less perfect ducks are detected timely. We are really looking forward to the IoT Solution World Congress because it's an opportunity for us to demonstrate to the rest of the world how closely we collaborate with our strategic partners. IoT is an ecosystem play. Not a single player, regardless of scale, can do it all alone. And we are very proud to collaborate with some of the best and greatest companies in this world in creating amazing solutions in IoT.